In this video, I'll show you how to track your expenses with a budget app. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to get a budget app of our choice. Today, I'm gonna be using the Money Manager Expense and Budget app. So after you download your app, go ahead and open it. And after you log in and create your account, the first thing we're gonna do is to start categorizing our expenses and our income. To do that, you will tap on the plus icon that you're gonna see right here at the bottom right. And we're gonna start with income. So go ahead and tap right here at the right and then select category. Now here under category is where you're gonna add every single source of income that you have. The app will give you some suggestions like allowance, bonus, salary, savings, but you can create your own by tapping on this little pencil, tapping on the plus icon, and giving your category a name. So let's say you work as a content creator. So let's give this category that name and save it. Now, if you go back, what you should do every single time that you receive any money is to add it to the category. So let's say this month you made $500 from being a content creator. Now under account, you will select where this payment was made. So let's say it was made through a bank account, and you can add any notes in case you need to do that. You can also add a picture in case you want to add maybe a picture of your checkings account or whatever it is. You can also do that by tapping on this little camera icon, and once you're ready, just go ahead and save your income. Now it's time to add an expense. To do that, we're going to tap again on the plus icon and we're going to select expense. Now let's say you just spend $10 on a coffee, so we're going to put the amount and we're going to go to categories. Now here you can also create your categories as you wish, and you can even create subcategories. As you can see, for example, under beauty, I have different categories. So let's say I want to do beauty, but it means that I spend some money on makeup. I would just go ahead and select that, pick my bank account, and add a note if I need to. So the point of having a budget app is to use it on a regular basis every time that you buy something, and over time you're able to see all the analytics and the status of your expenses. After you have used the app for some time, you can select stats right here at the bottom, and this, as you can see, it's going to give you a small graphic that is going to show you how much money you're spending and also where your money is going. A bonus tip that I can give you is to set an alarm at the end of the day so you don't forget to input your expenses and your income. Hope that helps.